Whether you're looking for improved security around your home to help save on energy costs or automate some of your daily tasks, there are many benefits to adding smart home technology to your home. Smart home technology allows you to easily control and manage many of your household appliances for greater security, comfort, and convenience. Using products like the Google Nest Learning Thermostat can help to keep your energy costs in check by aligning your in-home activities to a temperature schedule that helps to save money while maintaining home comfort. Adding smart cameras, doorbells, locks, and detectors that you can access and control remotely increase home security to help keep your family safe.
Someone's at the front door.
Just leave it at the door, please.
Include the Nest Google Hub to help manage your day by setting routines and schedules that can control multiple tasks automatically or with a single command. The best part is that all of your systems can be conveniently accessed through the easy-to-use Google Home app or through voice control. If you're interested in learning more about building your custom smart home solution, call on Reliance.